Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add or remove an email from your Facebook account. You can add or remove an email address from your account in your Facebook settings. To add an email address, click on the drop down and select Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, click Settings. From the left menu, select Account Setting. Here, select General. Here you will find the contact information. Click on the contact, edit here, and you will find add another email or mobile number. Click here to add another email. Enter the new email address and click on add. If you want to add a phone number here, you can click here. Or I have a separate video about adding or removing a phone number. You can watch this from the description box. After typing your email address, tap on Add. You may be asked to enter your Facebook password. Enter your password and click Submit, and then close. When you add an email address to your account, Facebook will send you a confirmation email to your new email address. Click the link in your email and confirm that you want this email address to add your Facebook account. To remove an email address, you will have to come here, your account settings, by clicking Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Account Settings, and then General, and then tap on Edit, and you will find the option to remove your email address beside your email address. From there you can easily remove your email address. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more future videos like this. Thanks for watching.